Paorin como tu tá? What is good, my people? Today we're checking out a song from Lee Sung-yeon called Waterfall. I'm sorry, my Korean is awful, so I'm not going to try to attempt to say the song title in Korean. They did graciously give us the translation right next to the song title in English, so I'm gonna call it Waterfall, and I'll leave the Korean title of the song in the YouTube title as well as in the description. But if you're wondering why the sort of layout is different today, my audio and my mixer and my microphone, made by the same company, having issues. So until that's sort of like resolved, this is going to be the format. My apologies, my people. I appreciate your patience, work with me, and with that out the way, before we get into this video, hit that subscribe button, like button, notification bell. If you have any reaction requests, down in those comments below. You can find my ads in the description. Shoot me a DM, guys got options. Let's get into this reaction. Dial it. Lee Sung-yoon, not Yoon. Yoon. Hold up. If I'm being honest with you, I thought I was coming into a K-pop song. This is my first time listening to my guy Lee. I or it's just, I don't know if his first name is Lee or Yoon because of the honorific system. Where so in some countries the last name is more important than the first name. And I'm not sure if they count for that in this one. But I'm gonna just call him for now. I'm gonna just call him Lee, and if that's not his first name, correct me in the comments below, and I'll adjust it if I react to him in the future. But with that out the way, yeah, I thought I was coming into a K-pop song. Like I didn't know we were getting like K-rock. This is actually my first time listening to Korean rock before. I've listened to a song from aespa. It's more of like pop punk or pop rock kind of song, but like this is like old school kind of like rock from. I'm just at a loss for words because again, like I was walking into thinking it's gonna be a K-pop song, and and I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm being honest with you, pleasantly surprised. So I got to just readjust my whole my mind right now because like I'm literally thrown for a loop in the best way possible. Sounds so good. this is insane. This song, like this sound, you really don't hear it anymore in the US. Like this is like an older sounding excuse me, this is like an older sounding like rock song. I'm just my mind is just blown right now because I wasn't expecting this. And he sounds so good too, man. I wish I had the lyrics, but there's no closed captions on this one. But like I can only imagine like what he's singing about. But like his voice, the bands, oh, like this instrumental is just chef's kiss. Like I have to take time right now to shout out this band because like if they weren't playing the way that they are in this instrumental, like my guy's voice would not hit as hard as it is right now. And we have to give the instrumentalist some credit because like they are really pushing his voice, like lifting it up to like for it to be hitting the way it's hitting right now. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, this is crazy. I can't believe this coming from a Korean band, man. This is crazy, man. This is insane. You know what? This band kind of reminds me of Body Slam. Um, they kind of create the same sort of subgenre of rock music. I was like listening to him. I felt as though I was like listening to Thune from Body Slam, but just in a different language. But like this is giving like Body Slam the best way possible, as well as like some of the greatest bands of old from the U.S. Man, I'm just in shock that this sound is coming from a K rock band. It's blowing my freaking mind. Yes. I love this. This is the third time this week where we have a band just jamming out, man. Oh, somebody has been listening to me, allowing these bands to just like have time, but they're just able to just jam out, man. Oh, like I love that they did this, man. They just went up in a tier list for me. Just by man, who is my guy Lee? Who is he? Let me know down in the comments below. Educate me, because I need to know who my guy Lee is. Cause he's this is a banger. It's fire. I ain't gonna lie. Mm. This video was like pretty cool too. Lee Sung Yoon, man. Waterfall. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Listen, my people. Please, 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 if you are familiar with Lee Sung Yoon's music, put us on in the comments below. What should we be listening to from my guy? Because this was pure flames, man. Like again, this sound, I have not heard this sound from a newer artist in such a long time. If I want to listen to music like this, I have to go back. You know what I mean? Outside of like again, doing from Body Slam as a band, like I really don't come around this sound of rock anymore, man. And again, it's mad to me that the two bands that's producing this sound is a band out in Thailand, Body Slam, an amazing band, as well as we got our guy Lee Sung Yoon out in Korea making this with his band, making this style of music too, man. It's please don't leave without putting us on in the comments below. What should we be listening to? Hit the subscribe button, like button, notification bell if you're not already. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.